Quick note, this video is sponsored by Gabi, the #1 insurance compare website on the market. If you're interested in saving some money on your car insurance, tap the link directly below this video, upload your current policy to Gabi, and Gabi will compare your insurance in minutes, let you know if you can save money. You could use that savings to buy some stocks on the dip. Now let's get into the video content. Hey, Freddy Servant here. Welcome back to another YouTube stock video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a quick update on Comstock mining, ticker symbol Lode. Now, Lode has been trading neutral recently. The stock actually rose 7% today, but the stock is down 13% in the past month. So this video is a response to a viewer who asked on a recent dip under $3 if I see any future in this company. Now, the short-term answer to that question is yes. I'm still highly convicted in this company, and I'm going to talk about why. I'm going to give you my thoughts and some information that might be helpful if you are concerned about Comstock mining and the stock. Now, you have to remember that hedge funds, I believe, hold positions in this company. Hedge funds like Citadel and Vanguard. That is the only reason why I believe they wouldn't reach their target, their price target of $9 a share this year, because of manipulation, whatever you want to call it, of the hedge funds as they set themselves up for the short term and the long term. Super unfortunate. That's just how it goes in the market. But if you do your due diligence and research, you should know that this is a great company, especially for the long term. They have an excellent business model. They make money several different ways. Now, whether that's royalties in gold and silver mining, subsidies, sales, and acquisitions in renewable energy, the green energy space, etc., this company has several different income streams, 4 ways, if not more. Now, this company has just recently rebalanced their whole balance sheet. They literally essentially have no debt. They're setting themselves up for growth. Now, when your company is growing, you want to be creative. You want to create strategic partnerships and create as many income streams as possible. When you start a company, you may have 1 or 2 different income streams, but as your company grows, you could grow to 5, maybe 10 different income streams. Now, those are the companies that I want to be invested in. Now, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy stocks based off of what I say in this video. Do your own due diligence and research. The company, definitely could, continue to go down. That's okay. As if I'm convicted in a company, I'm going to continue to dollar cost average in. Even if I bought a little bit higher than what the stock price is now, I'm going to continue to dollar cost average in. Now, I may not go all in at once. Like I mentioned, I'm going to dollar cost average in, see where the price goes. But if I'm convicted in a company, I don't mind continuing to buy shares. That's what I did last week. Speaking of acquisitions, Comstock Mining has made some really good strategic acquisitions this year. They just recently announced that they acquired Renewable Process Solutions, which is an advanced process engineering and renewable technology company, in a stock deal valued at about $3.5 million. Now, Linico is another one of Comstock's investment into lithium-ion battery recycling. So now Linico has tapped Renewable Process Solution for the design and construction of renewable processes, including crushing, separating, and lithium extraction technologies for its new recycling manufacturing facility in Nevada. Linico has started ordering crushing and separation equipment for deliveries during Q4 2021 and Q1 2022, with plans to start production of black mass and lithium carbonate. So they plan to start production of black mass and lithium carbonate in Q1 and Q2 of 2022. Also, Comstock made an additional investment into generative materials. So Comstock has executed an agreement to purchase an additional 5% of its already owned 45% owned technology development partner, Quantum Generative Materials, or GenMat. The company said that the proceeds of the $50 million are going to be used to expand on the development efforts of the GenMat founders. So their primary goal is commercializing a new quantum computing technology system to help them basically in their lithium-ion battery recycling operations. So their system is going to use quantum computing in completing logistical operations, as classical computing relies on binary states, and those states could either be on or off. So Comstock explained that this distinction is powerful and gives quantum computers the potential to process exponentially more operations far more efficiently than classical computing. So Comstock continues to invest in the future of mining stability, whether that's batteries, carbon capture, and utilization. The company, like I mentioned before, has restructured their whole balance sheet, and they're making strategic acquisitions and investments, and they don't want to lose money. Nobody wants to lose money, and they see the future in mining is a more cleaner, sustainable process. Now, Comstock also is in the royalty business, and Tona Gold, they just announced multiple encouraging drillings at their Comstock Lode location, and Tona Gold aims to prove the existence of sustainable mineable resources of gold and silver in the Comstock mining district. So they had 5 recent drillings that were super encouraging. So if that company continues to have positive exploration and hits on some gold and silver, you're going to eventually see some royalty income. So those are just some of my thoughts and some news that's recently come out on Comstock Mining. I actually wasn't planning on doing a video, but with the overall market crashing and gold and silver mining stocks taking a hit, I just thought I'd do this quick update video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, give this video a like. Also, let me know what you think below on Comstock. Let me know your thoughts. If you are still buying Comstock, if you are dumping your shares, dumping your positions, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Also, again, consider subscribing to the channel, as it always helps me out here. Lastly, if you're interested in saving some money on your car insurance, tap the link in the button below this video. Use my partner Gabby. They could save you money in minutes on car insurance, and you could use that savings to buy some stocks on the dip. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.